Hey doing, everybody? Chris Bruce, real estate investor for the past 10 years.
Marlon Wilson, real estate investor for 6 years.
Now, we're sitting here, me and Marlon, we kind of just been conversing, just talking about some of the early days of when we first got into the business and then the transition of really scaling our businesses to 6 or 7 figures. And, it's funny, Marlon, remember how when we first got into business, the struggles we had, but as we started to really take off and do more deals, there was a lot of different struggles that, it was kind of hard to predict that these things were going to happen.
Absolutely. And if you're new, I know one of the main things I struggled with was consistency.
Right.
Consistently finding deals,
right.
Knowing that I can actually turn this into a sustainable business versus a side gig,
Right.
The comfort of knowing every month I can consistently do 3 deals, then 4 deals, then 5, then 10 a month. And that was real huge on me. But it was something that took time and experience to learn from.
Yeah. I think it's a mental shift too, though.
Absolutely. Because once you kind of, surround yourself with other people that's doing it, it's possible.
Right.
So when you think about it, it's like, hey, if he's doing 10 deals, if I'm only going in on this amount of marketing, maybe I can double it, but it's actually more to it.
Right.
So it's little things like that you got to tweak.
Yeah, and it comes to even with how to hire people, that process, where to find good people. For you, you're doing a lot of renovations. I mean, how many renovations are you doing this month?
Man, so I used to keep about 5 or 6 going on at one time.
Okay.
And the reason I can do that without it being a hassle is from the people that I hired and put in place.
Right.
From my project manager to my 2 good crews and things like that, they make the entire process easy for me.
Right.
But yeah, without a strong team, I doubt that it can be done easily.
Exactly.
As well as the profits you can make by having many goals.
And the thing is that you don't. Another thing I see with a lot of investors too is that they get so boggled into the business, and it's like their lifestyle diminishes. It's like your lifestyle increased. I mean, we sitting here in your Maybach,
right,
and you always traveling the world.
Exactly.
And the business is still running. It's still, bringing in income. The jobs, the projects are still running, still getting managed, even while you're out the country. So, it's amazing.
Mm-hmm.
But I know a lot of investors that's probably watching this video, they're not there yet. Right. They're trying to figure out, well, how can I get to that level? How can I be able to, get from doing 1 or 2 wholesale deals to doing multiple wholesale deals? How can I go from getting into the wholesaling into the renovation business? So, one of the things is, like you said, is consistency. It's growing a team. It's really having the knowledge of what it takes to really run a business, because a lot of investors, as we start off, we hustlers.
Yeah, exactly.
We make money,
right?
But it's not really.
We hustling for the next deal.
Exactly.
Then the next deal.
Yep.
Versus like he's saying, creating that system, creating that business,
right? Creating that leverage.
The leverage to be able to get to the next level.
Right.
And that's imperative.
Exactly. So, what we decided was that a lot of people come to us all the time and they're asking us for mentoring and things like that. And honestly, I mean, we're just busy people. I have a 4 real estate business that I'm running, wholesaling. I have some products and things like that I sell as well. Marlon's doing a lot of renovations. He's wholesaling here and there, but mostly renovations because he get them bigger checks.
Absolutely.
But some people have been trying to figure out, well, how can I get more connected with you guys? How can I really learn how to scale our business? How can we take this business to 7 figures next year? And so what we came up with was just we did a mastermind before, and it was really successful. We had a lot of people go out, start making a lot of money after, and we said, you know what, let's do it again.
Yeah. So what we're doing is we're putting together a nice team, a nice group of speakers, as well as a lot of investors from all around the U.S. to get together collectively, share ideas, teach new ideas, and just really talk about how each of us can take our business to the next level. Exactly.
So we're going to be holding this real estate retreat mastermind in Miami. All right. It's going to be 3 impactful days. This is going to be, you're going to learn so much in the 3 days with us that you probably will learn, all year. We got some great speakers. I have a guy that's going to be speaking. He's doing like $1 million a quarter in just wholesale profits in 8 different markets. We got another guy that's going to be speaking. He owns 100 multi-family units and he's going to be talking about how he transitioned from the single family to multifamily. So some of you that want to get into apartment investing, you definitely want to be at that. I'm going to talk about how I've been able to really scale my virtual wholesaling business and go into different markets and flip houses without having any of the day-to-day operations that I'm doing. Marlon, I mean, listen, we just picked up a deal. How much are you gonna make on that one deal?
Man, I got it for 33 and it's worth 120.
Right.
Needs about 20 grand in a repair. So more than likely I'll rehab that one, but it's still for the person that's wholesaling. They can make a good profit off that
right.
check.
And you got another big one that's about to come.
Yeah. So I bought one for 556. That's worth 900, and I put about 26 into that. So yeah, I negotiated that deal really good. Yep. Property came, in a good condition to where I just had to upgrade it.
Yep.
So
it's just stuff like that. Just how to find good deals with huge, $100,000 profits in them if you're renovating, rehabbing properties. How to find consistent wholesale deals. If you're looking to get into other virtual markets, this mastermind retreat is going to be for you. Now, I'll be honest with you. This is not for the new investor that has never done a deal. All right. We're not really looking for those people right now. But if you have done a deal or two, if you're doing a couple deals a month but you're looking to do it consistently, if you're looking to scale your business from 6 figures to 7 figures, hell, if you're doing just 5 figures, you want to get to 6 figures next year, this real estate retreat is for you. We're going to have a yacht. We're going to party. We're going to make sure we share our ideas. We're going to break down your business. By the time you leave this event, you will know exactly what to do and how to get your business to the next level in 2019. So we're going to have like a website somewhere below this. It's realestateretreat.com. We are taking it by application only because we're really selective of the people that we want in the group. We don't want, if you're not a go-getter or you're lazy, this is just not for you. Martha didn't get this Maybach from being lazy, right? So you got to be a go-getter. You have to be someone that is actually in the business, has done deals before. But you can go ahead anyways to apply below. If you think you would be a good fit and you want to attend, the dates are February 8th through 10th. It's going to be in Miami, Florida, and it's going to be sunny. It's going to be hot. So if you've never been to Miami, you'll enjoy it as well. But go ahead, click that link below, realestateretreat.com. Apply for it. If you fit the criteria, one of our team members is going to reach out to you and talk about the investment, talk about whatever everything comes with it, and see you there.
See you there.